everyone, my name is Bhavna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. As a lot of you guys wanted a tutorial on how I edit my pictures, so I edit my pictures on the app called Lightroom. This app is not paid, so you can easily download it from the Play Store for free. In today's video, I am going to show you how I edit my pictures on Lightroom step by step so that you people will get an idea of how Lightroom and its features work. So let's get started.
So this is the picture which I am going to edit right now. Below this picture you can see the tools which you can use to edit your pictures. So the first one is this crop tool. With this tool you can remove the unwanted part of your image, so I don't want to use it right now. And then the other tool is this profiles option. Okay, so this profiles option works same as filters in any other editing apps. It has some filters which you can apply to your pictures, like you just have to click on the thumbnail and the changes will be applied to your pictures automatically. But I don't want to apply these filters on my picture right now, so let's move on to another step. So the third one is this auto tool. If you will select this tool, the picture will automatically adjust its brightness, contrast, saturation and other properties of the image. But I'm not using it right now, so let's move on to this light panel. So now I'm going to increase the exposure of my picture to 0.61 eV. Now I will decrease the contrast to -11. Now I will increase the highlights to +19. And shadows will be -13, and I will decrease the whites to -25. So now the another major tool which plays an important role in your picture is this color panel. If you increase the temperature of the picture will become more orangish, and if you decrease the temperature, the picture will become more bluish. So I'm going to keep this temperature 0 only. Coming to the tint, if you increase the tint, the picture will become more pinkish, and if you decrease the tint, the picture will become more greenish. So as you guys can see, I have a pink wall on my background, so I am going to increase the tint. I will keep the tint to 25. अगर मैंने इस पिक्चर का टेंट जो है वो 25 पर रखा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप भी 25 पर ही रखना। मैंने ये इसलिए रखा है क्योंकि आई हैव पिंक एलिमेंट ऑन माई पिक्चर। आपके पिक्चर पे पिंक एलिमेंट्स नहीं है तो आप टेंट को 0 या 2, 3 रख सकते हो। एंड आई विल कीप द वाइब्रेंस टू 2 or 3. Now this is my favorite part of the editing. With this color mix tool you can change the color of your picture very easily. Now I'm going to increase the hue of red to 33 and saturation will be 45. Luminance will be into -15. Now coming to the orange color, I am going to increase the hue to 12 and increase the saturation to 35 and increase the luminance to +19. Now coming to the yellow one, I will keep the hue to 0 and increase the saturation to 59 and decrease the luminance to -6. With the green color, I am going to decrease the hue to -20 and decrease the saturation to -16. Now with the blue color, increase the saturation to 59 and decrease the luminance to -17. For dark blue, I will keep the saturation to +17. Luminance will be -30, and for the last color which is magenta, I am going to increase the hue to 58 the saturation to -3 and decrease the luminance to -30. So now we are done with this color mix tool. If you want to increase the quality of your picture, you can increase the texture. I will keep it to 10 or 9. If I will keep the clarity to minus, picture will become more softer. So I will keep this to -19. And if you scroll down below, you will see this grain amount feature. Nowadays, photos with noise and grains have become a trend, so you can increase the noise of your picture with this grain amount. You see this? But I'm not going to use this. I just wanted to let you know guys about this. So another major tool which is useful to increase the quality of your picture is this detail feature. It has this sharpening feature. Increase the sharpening, it will give more details to your picture. And I'm going to increase the noise reduction to 14 or 15, and I'm going to increase the color noise reduction to 13, 14. So this was the picture before editing, and this is the final picture after the editing. अगर आपको दूसरी पिक्चर पे भी आपको यही वाले सेटिंग्स चाहिए तो आप सीधे इसको कॉपी सेटिंग्स करके 3 डॉट को दोबारा सेलेक्ट करोगे तो पेज सेटिंग्स आता है, उस पर क्लिक करना है and you can see the changes. So this is how you guys can edit your pictures.
This was it for today's video. I hope this video will help you in future to edit your picture easily, and you can also comment down below what kind of content would you like to see on my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram username. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.